Good evening and welcome to all. First of all, from ALP Group, I would like to thank our chief guest, our RAS National President, Naranbhai Patel, RAS President, Mr. Vikram Desai, Kamlesh Mehta, and from Daikin, Mr. Vikas Gupta. Topic of my presentation is insulation. But before starting my presentation, I would like to say a few words on ozone. Like ozone layer acts as a shield for life on Earth and saves the Earth from the damaging ultraviolet rays of the sun. Today, without ozone layer, life on the Earth would be extremely impossible. Therefore, protecting ozone layer and being eco-friendly is very essential for future sustainability. So let me start my presentation. ALP Group is a pioneer in the polymer technology in India. It was founded in 1985 with a turnover of around more than 120 USD million. ALP Group is having 13 companies which is spread across the globe, and we have 9 manufacturing facilities across the globe, in which 6 plants are in India and 3 is in Thailand, Australia and South Africa. ALP Group is having a portfolio of more than 10,000 polymer-based products, and our core expertise lies in the R&D, design and manufacturing. We have our R&D center in Google Kota, which is soon going to be enabled aggregated. We are having very advanced equipment which test like the fire test lab. Then we have a reverse engineering lab for testing of FTIR, TG and DSC. Then for the rubber testing, we have this physical testing lab and chemical testing lab also. Let me show you the product portfolio. First of all, ALP Aeroflex is pioneer in EPDM insulation. We are the first company in India to introduce EPDM insulation. Our brand name for EPDM insulation is Aeroflex, which is like ethylene propylene dyne monomer with a thermal conductivity of less than 0.33 watt per meter at 0 degrees Celsius. Then it has very high weather and ozone resistance. We can say it is having zero ozone depletion potential, means it does not harm our ozone layer. Then it is antibacterial and antimicrobial, and ASTM E84, which talks about the fire properties of insulation. It is also non-toxic and emits very less smoke. We don't get any molten droplets, and it is nitrosamine free, and also it is Green Guard certified. This EPDM insulation, when we talks about environment friendly, it is without CFC, which is chlorofluorocarbon, HFC and HCFC. It has zero ozone depletion potential, we call as the ODP. And it does not contain harmful this propane, butane, pentane, which is like flammable gas and which is very harmful for the environment because it emits carbon. Then it is also free from formaldehyde and nitrosamine. This nitrosamine is today's we called is major reason of cancer. All our products are also FM approved. Then we have another product which we called as a Bioflex, which is an antimicrobial. It does not when we use this insulation, there won't be any microbial activities. Here the mu value of this insulation is more than 10,000. It is FM approved. Also it is CFC and HCFC free. Also dust and fiber free. And it is as per ASTM G21 and ASTM 2180 compliant. Then we have a nitrile rubber insulation, which is also Class O material and FM approved. Then it is CFC and HCFC free, means chlorofluorocarbon and hydrochlorofluorocarbon free, which is very good for, means if it is free from that, means that your insulation is good for the environment. Then it is also dust and fiber free. and it provides a built-in resistance against the moisture ingress. Then this insulation is also having zero ozone depletion potential. Now coming back to our EPDM insulation, means there is a department which we call as Energy Efficient Service Limited, EESL, and EESL has approved our EPDM insulation for the use in the air conditioner because of its friendliness to the nature. Now major application area where this insulation can be used is the duct insulation. Then you can use it in the tank application in the major industry. Then in railway coaches also, now all our railways, modern railways are coming with the AC and all those things. So there you can use this insulation. Then pipe insulation, chiller application, like all in the Daikin chillers, and means all the major players in the chillers industry, they are using our insulation for cryogenic application and underdeck insulation. So before ending my topic, I would just like to play a small video.
Our range. Welcome to ALP Group, innovating rubber and plastic polymer products for industries and homes. Group of companies spread across the globe, spanning India, Americas, Africas, Europe, Southeast Asia and Australia. Flagship products are for the automotive industry. These products mainly use the environment-safe EPDM rubber, in which ALP has been a pioneer and a market leader in India. Our range of products include over 4,000 designs. The construction industry is another major segment for the ALP Group, for which our group company, ALP Overseas Private Limited, produces building profiles, and another company, ALP Aeroflex, produces closed-cell elastomeric nitrile rubber foam and EPDM rubber foam thermal insulation products in the form of foam sheets, tubes and accessories for the heating, air conditioning, refrigeration, process, pharmaceutical and plumbing industries. ALP Aeroflex India Private Limited is a joint venture between ALP Overseas Private Limited and Aeroflex Company Limited of Thailand, which is a group company of the $600 million Eastern Polymer Group of Thailand. The Eastern Polymer Group has become the world's leading manufacturer of EPDM-based thermal insulation, with multiple manufacturing operations in USA, China, India, Germany, Switzerland, Russia and Thailand. Aeroflex products have some common benefits like low K value for high energy saving, high water vapor resistance, have good weatherproof properties, are fire and smoke safe, antifungal and antibacterial, environment friendly, CFC, HCFC free and non-corrosive. For HVAC industry, the ALP EPDM product are non-polar, odorless, do not produce toxic smoke when burned, make for weatherproof insulation, are many times more durable and have a very wide range of applications across a broad operating temperature band. Since we thoroughly understand the rubber, plastic and polymer domains, any combination of theirs for an intended application can be scientifically designed, tested, manufactured and distributed across the globe through our own network. The range also has some special products like aluminium foil faced, nitrile and EPDM rubber foam sheets, tubes and tapes for insulation of ducting, pipes and vessels with superior fire performance and a very high resistance to water vapor transmission, widely used for underdeck roofing, pharma and clean room application. Laminated, black glass cloth faced nitrile and EPDM rubber foam sheet, tubes and tapes. The UV resistant treated black glass cloth protects the soft foam from mechanical and external environment abuse. Cladding can be done in large to small diameter insulating pipes with UPVC sheets of any size and shape for mechanical protection and surface finish for pharma, petroleum and chemical industry, oil drilling platforms, microelectronics, photovoltaic, food and beverage industry and clean room application. Large diameter pipes with options ranging up to twice the size of the nearest competitor, with offering in internal diameters of up to 8 inches and in thickness of walls up to 4 inches. Bioflex with antimicrobial properties. Our closed cell CFC-free elastomeric insulation solutions for protection against bacteria and fungi using EPA and FD approved antimicrobial agents. Widely used for hospitals and food industry applications. Pre-split retrofit pipes. Our pre-slit insulation tube with self-sealing adhesive lining with Pro-Tape covering. They ensure quick and high-quality installation for retrofit insulation on pipelines. Higher temperature EPDM range is an EPDM rubber-based thermal insulation, specially designed for high surface temperature up to 150 degrees Celsius continuous. It is ideal for use in solar, steam and boiler applications and process industries. Aeroflex also produces nitrile and EPDM-based acoustic insulation products, which include AccuFoam, a thermoacoustic convoluted nitrile rubber foam material. AcoSound is a high-density blended nitrile rubber acoustic absorber, having open cell structure with complex pore geometry. We are ISO 9001-2008 and TS 16949 certified company. Our insulation products are FM Global certified, UN listed, conform as per BS 476, Part 6 and 7 standards. Besides catering to direct clients and PMCs, we are OEM suppliers to some of the top names in.
So thank you so much for your attention, and let's play to save our ozone layer on this ozone depletion potential means ozone day. And again I would like to thank Mr. Naranbhai Patel for this and Mr. Vikram Desai for coming to this occasion of World Ozone Day. Thank you all.